what I got for Christmas. And today I have the Shopkins Chef Club kitchen. And the really cool part is that it comes with a microwave and 2 exclusive Shopkins and a recipe book and the microwave spins. And I also have that comes with this is the Jessie doll, because it shows right there Jessie, and so we had to get the doll. So yeah, and then the last thing I have is Happy Places. Today I am only just opening 3 stuff. So let's get started. Move these to the side and let's open the big Shopkins kitchen. So yeah. I'm really excited because I never had this play set, and it looks really cool to play with. So yeah, let's get it with my handy scissors. So we are just gonna cut. We got it open. So what it comes with a table and chairs where the Shopkins are sitting, and it comes with the big kitchen, and this is the recipe book, and let's open it to see what's in it. Oh, cute! It's the mystery dish. It says mystery dish, nice and icy fried, pink frosted, chalk frost, sparkly clean washers, Sarah Sweetheart, strawberry jam, hot stop kitchen, and chocolate cake Jake, vanilla cake. And that's all it has, and it's a Shopkins Chef Clubs. Let's put that back so we don't lose it. And the cool thing about this, the microwave opens, and it opens and then it spins. Once you would put one of the Shopkins, put it in here, close it up, beep beep beep, and then it'll spin. And it's really cool. And then also is really cool, it has this, which is the oven, and yeah, this could slide out and back in. It's really hard to put it back in, but you just put it down. This opens, nothing in there really, and do these drawers open? Oh, the kitchens. Yep, the drawer is open. What about this one? We're gonna bend it down. That's really cool about the Shopkins Chef Club kitchen. And now we are gonna move this to the side so we can go on to our next thing that we're gonna open. The next thing we're going to open that comes with the place, and it comes separate because you might see this picture in the thing, so in the Shopkins Chef Club, so you can get the doll. It's separately, so you would have to get it separately in the kitchen. So yeah, let's open Jessie Cake. And it comes with 2 Shopkins, a comb, and a card. And her shoes come off. So I never had this doll before. So let's get to opening. So I got it open. Here what it comes with. It comes with her card, and it says her name, Jessie Cake. And it comes with this little card that says Jessie Cake. And these are her 2 Shopkins. 1 comb and 1 blind bag. Let's open the blind bag. And she's really cute because she has my favorite color of hair, and she has it looks like with the pink and the blue, it looks like cotton candy colors mixed together. And it comes with one apron, and it comes with, she has a glittery dress. So cute. Oh, I know what this is. Her stand. So let's put her on it. So she's really cute. She has her stand right here. There's her stand. I thought it was going to be a Shopkin in the blind bag. It wasn't. Now, let's move everything to the side so we can open our last Shopkin of the day, and it's Happy Places. So let's move this to the side. This is at Kitty's Kitchen, and the really cool part is it says chocolate cake, chocolate cookies, right here, 1, 2. And yeah, so let's get it open. And the really cool thing about this, I never had this playset. So it probably might be cool. And you can download the Chef Club app. So let's get this open. So that way I could open it, and that way I could show you guys what it is, what it comes with. Oh, cool. It comes with this and a blind bag in it. So cool. So let's open it. So we got it open. So now let's check what's inside. With 1 dog and 2 cookies, and it comes with an oven, and I think it could open. So yeah, I got it. So now we just push it out like this. And then it also comes with 2 tiles and 2 blind bags and the thing. So let's open this first, and we'll do this last. I got the oven open. It seems heavy. There's nothing in it, but cool. Cool playset though. And here it is. Get a closer look. And right here on this it says Kitty's Kitchen Welcome Pack. So let's get the little Shopkins out. They're like Shopkins. And I put it on my foot. So it comes with a flower vase, and it comes with a pot. The top can open. I think it's a pot. Yeah, it's a pot. And it comes with a toaster for the bread, and you put it in the bread thing, and then the toaster, and then right here you might think it looks like a flower vase, but it isn't. It's a cookie case where you put the little cookies at and the little thing, and here's cookies. And it comes with a chair and table and a pan and the oven and stuff. So now that I showed you everything, and it also comes with a little it comes with this. So yeah, so when she gets it, the food, then she won't be burned. So let's open this. I saw a blind bag when I opened it, so let's get it open. Here's our checklist. Oh, the cool thing about this, it has the dolls' names. There's Jessie Cake and Moline, and there's Rainbow Cake, Choc Cookie, and Shop to Sue, I think. And I think that's all the Shopkins names. Yeah. So, oh, it only comes with one blind bag. That too. Wait a minute. It's not a blind bag. It's the base to hold her stand, to help her stand, I think. We got pranked again, but really okay. Comes with Shopkins and stuff. So yeah, I thought it was going to be a Shopkin in those two blind bags, but it isn't. It's to help her stand. So yeah, but it's really cool though. This set is cool though. It's still cool. And let's see what the chair's name is. Oh, I found everything that's in here. This chair's name is 79. So let's look for 79 in this category thing. I found 79. This must be chair 1. And the other one is chair 2. And this is, let me find it, and I think all the stuff right here, I'm looking in the kitchen category, and it shows everything that I got in the kitty kitchen set. So this is 88, and the second one is 89. So let's look at their name. 88 is Cookie 1, 89 is Cookie 2. Really weird. Uh-oh, I gotta swap it because the chocolate chip one is first, and the plain one is second. So that must be weird. And we also got the flower vase. Let's see what number it is and the name. So it's 84. So we're going to look for 84. And it's the flower vase. They should have made different names like Tom and kitties and stuff. So yeah, let's see what this is. This is 80, I think. Yeah, 80. It's 80. 80 is it's the dining table. That's all for my video. I hope you guys liked my video. Subscribe, comment, and push the like button on my video. And thanks for watching. watching. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.